The interstellar comet Oumuamua that came at us in 2017. A Harvard professor says alien technology visited Earth in 2017. He believes that we were visited by an alien object. In his upcoming book, Extraterrestrial, the first sign of intelligent life beyond Earth, theoretical physicist Avi Loeb says his theory is that a particular shaped object entered our solar system several years ago. The interstellar object named Oumuamua, meaning scout in Hawaiian, was first observed through the Pan-STARRS telescope at Hawaii's Haleakala Observatory in 2017. Researchers determined that it had passed through the ecliptic plane September 6 from the direction of Vega, the star in the Lyra constellation that's about 25 light years away from our planet, and just 3 days later, Oumuamua, Hawaiian for scout, began accelerating towards the sun before it eventually came closer to Earth on October 7, moving swiftly towards the constellation Pegasus and the blackness of space beyond, according to Loeb. Now, let's remember he is a Harvard professor. Some scientists claim Oumuamua, which is believed to be the first interstellar object detected in our solar system, was simply another comet. But Loeb, the chairman of Harvard University Astronomy Department, dismissed that assumption as it relies too much on the familiar. He said, as an example, what would happen if a caveman saw a cell phone? He wondered, while talking to New York Post, that he'd seen rocks all his life, and he would have thought it was just another shiny rock. Loeb says there are two big details that suggest Oumuamua was not just a comet, but rather a piece of alien technology. The first detail is the object's dimension, and it was determined to be 5 to 10 times longer than it was wide. And Loeb argues that the cigar shape is not typical for a natural space object. But the theoretical physicist says the bigger detail that supports this theory is Oumuamua's movement. The excess push away from the sun, that was the thing that broke the camel's back, he said. Loeb explains that the sun's gravitational force would cause a natural object to move faster as it approaches, and eventually push the object back, causing it to move slower as it moves away. Loeb points out that this did not occur with Oumuamua, which accelerates slightly, but to a highly statistical significant extent as it moves further away. So, obviously, it was not acting properly. Now, if we're not alone, are we the smartest kids of the block? Loeb asked. If there was a species that eliminated itself through war or changing climate, we can get our acts together and behave better. And instead, we're wasting a lot of resources on Earth fighting each other and other negative things that are a big waste, he says. This is on Bended Reality.